2 hungry neighbors here. Delicious muffin on the way. Chocolate banana muffin made with our chocolate complete.
Yes.
And I am so excited to try it. So we have a great little cookbook here, and it's actually not little, it's about 50 pages, but this is 50 pages of ways to use our Dutch chocolate and our French vanilla complete. And so this is a plant-based smoothie mix, which is very versatile. 15 plant nutrients, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, low glycemic, and you're getting just a ton of fiber, about 8 grams of fiber per scoop. So you can add it to a lot of things, but we add it to some baked goods. But this is a chocolate muffin recipe we're gonna try. It was super.
I'm sorry. In my mind, you said 50 recipes. So in my mind, do you know that song, 50 Ways to Leave Your Lover?
Yes.
Slip out the back, Jack. Making no plans.
Yeah.
Jan.
I'm like, why are you laughing?
I'm
mean, what am I saying that's so funny? You're on to something different.
I'm like,
I like it. I like it.
You do
All right,
that.
I'm gonna cut this for us.
So this batter, I kept looking at it going, all right, you think that's gonna work? All right.
It's super simple. You just do it in a blender and then put it in your muffin tin. They're very dense. They're very dense. So I'm so excited to try this. So let's give it a whirl and see what we think. A lot of chocolate chips in there. The flavor is great. The consistency is a little strange.
It is. It's a little spongy.
It is. It's like it's real, like cakey or whatever.
Well, I wouldn't call it cakey.
Cakey.
It's more spongy.
Spongy.
But, you know, I think
If we put it in
these
the fridge.
refrigerator.
So all of the complete baked goods, I always put in, actually all my baked goods. Who am I
I was
kidding?
going to say all your baked goods.
I put in the fridge. I love when the chocolate chips get hard.
It's good.
I mean, the flavor's good,
It's delicious.
but it is a little bit, I guess, spongy is the right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there's no flour in this.
No, there's no flour.
So you're talking gluten-free, dairy-free, right? Yeah.
So this would be really good, you know, for breakfast or like a quick afternoon snack if you're just, you know, wanting something kind of quick and easy. But it's got the peanut butter or almond butter.
Almond butter.
And the complete banana, 1 banana. And then the dairy-free chocolate chips.
2 eggs.
2 eggs and the scoop. So it's not vegan. It's just dairy-free.
Right. It's just, it's
And you probably said that.
Yeah,
you said that.
gluten-free, dairy-free.
And then a scoop of this. So yeah, I actually think they're pretty good.
Yeah, I do too.
Yeah, so we're gonna put them in the freezer, which I like to do anyway. So when I just make them and then freeze them, and then when I want something sweet, I've got it there to jump to.
She's converted me.
I tell you, if you don't put your baked goods in the freezer and eat them right out of the freezer cold, you are missing the boat.
It took me a while. Now I love it.
You gotta do it.
Yeah. So we'll go ahead and post the recipe below.
Yep.
And hit the big red subscribe button and maybe share our recipe.
Sounds good. Have a great day.
Bye.
See ya. Yeah, I'm anxious to try that.